Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring a new product. And now this product's a little unique. If you have the old AirPods, this is a product for that version. So we're going to go ahead and set it up and open it up and see what you get involved. So let's see what you get when you buy this stuff. So this is not a bad deal. It's under $20, I believe. You can find it on Amazon. So I'm going to put the description and everything that's included in here. And we're going to compare it. And you guys let me know what you guys think. And if you want to protect your devices, this is probably a great option. So we're going to go ahead and place all the items together here. This is a product made for the AirPods, the old version 1 AirPods, not the Pro version, so just keep in mind. Now we're going to go ahead and continue on with the setup. So basically they give you a little cover, and I like the color here. So we're going to bring the AirPods here, if you can see it, and they open up pretty neat here. They have the charging station on the bottom, and this is where if you want to protect it more, you know, and I would protect your investment here. And you slide it in there. They have this other end here that you go open it up for charging. I like that. And this covers up pretty good. It leaves a little gap in here so you could grab and set it up. See, it's all included in one. It has a little hook here so you could actually set everything up. And then here's the best part of it. We're gonna put it together here. We're gonna open this up. This is to, if you're gonna be running, and of course a lot of people have problems with the AirPods falling off. This is a very safety mechanism for it. So we're gonna go ahead and open them and take them all off the box. And these are awesome little accessories you could purchase. And of course, you don't have to purchase them, but it's not recommended if you want to. But if you're gonna be run on the run, or you want to do exercise with them, so you just got to line it up, find the way, line it up, and there it is. See those two entries right there in the back, so you don't have to cover. Make sure you don't cover those part, and we should call it. And that would be one for your earlobes. This kind of hooks up to your earlobes. We're gonna test them out too, and let's set up the other one. They're both set up. They look like little devil ears if you see them side by side. Not bad. I mean, these go into your ears and they hook up on your earlobe, and you could go jogging with these, running with these, and they won't fall up as easy as before. Now if you want the extra support on them, you could actually set these up here, and this is a great thing to have in here. So you put it on your right and your left. And these are pretty much like the old glasses. If you had glasses, you see your grandma wearing some glasses, and they had some protective strings so they won't fall and break, because you know you want to protect your investment. And this is a great thing to protect your investment. So you pretty much could set them up over your back. They go over your back and into your ears, and you could go jogging with these and you won't even feel them because you can see it. Great little accessory here. Make them into all one string so you won't drop them. One falls, the other one's gonna hang, of course. You could set this even higher if you want to protect it some more. Now another option they give you, which is great, let me give you that option here, is these two little entries here that you can set this up into your watch. If you have a watch, you could set up in your watch in here, and you could just set these up in here. It's a little watch area so you can protect them. So you're gonna go later down the line, you're gonna be jogging, you want to work out, and you want to listen to music, and you want to save them. It's another way you could do that. Put this on the side if you want to leave this at home, but you could put them on your watch. Let me put it on the watch. So you can put them on your watch like this, and it's a little neat little accessories they give you. It's all included into one, and the best thing about it, I like this part right here, to be honest with you. This is probably one of the best things if you want to hook it up to your wallet or to your belt. This is a great accessory here. So we'll do that here. Your backpack, you know, this is pretty strong. It's all silicone, waterproof in here, giving that extra layer of protection. And this is a plus. I like these. This is a big plus, especially all those complaints that people have been saying about these falling off, because they don't fit very well to everybody's ear. And this is an investment. I've seen scenarios where people lose one and they can't find the other one. They're kind of useless after. You would have to buy a whole new version of it. So great accessory here. This is an extra plus thing. I personally wouldn't use that much of this part right here. I would use this pretty much. This is it. And I will keep the same earlobe entries here. These are awesome. Let's see if they fit in there. So I'm not sure if we're gonna try to fit them in there. So they're not gonna fit. You're gonna have to remove them. That's the only bad thing about it. So you're gonna have to remove the ear protection, the ear adapters, but the by themselves, great accessory all around. I like it. If you guys liked what you guys see, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, out.